Hey, it's me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Milk Street. It's from a video called Gas Honey Left Curly Bracket. DJ Farts Right Curly Bracket. Special. That video was uploaded on August 1st, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 1:17 to 1:31. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I'm gonna preview this sound effect. It sounds like this. See? This is how the farting sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet, because I feel like using the bathroom in 5 minutes. I think I have to go poop. I have to go to the bathroom and test Milk Street's farting sound effect. Be right back. Phew, that feels so good. Remember kids, when you need to poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 1:17 and ends at 1:31. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay?